How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. For that, first of all, launch your settings on your device. Now, scroll down a little bit. There you will see accessibility. Go through it. Now, hit on touch. Then, scroll down. There you will see call audio routing. Hit on that. And make sure that it is automatic. If your sound is too low, then make it to speaker. Once you do that, go back to the accessibility and scroll down. There you'll see hearing device under hearing. Simply hit on that. Now make sure that no Bluetooth is connected. Once you make all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.